Welcome to my tool review. Today I'm going to be talking about ABCya. Today there are millions of users each month that play these games, logging over 1 billion games played in the year 2017. The activities have been designed by parents and educators who understand that children learn better when they are having fun. This website flaunts colorful and enticing graphics that draw students in and cover a variety of topics. Here are a number of testimonials from teachers, teaching assistants, moms, and students about ABCya. So as you can see, this game is very visually stimulating as well as stimulating to the ears, and has many gamification aspects to it. Membership options include a free subscriber, a premium family, or a premium classroom. With a free subscription, you still have access to all the games and videos on a desktop or laptop computer. However, you are not able to set a timer for access to the games or control the game category, and you have to deal with advertisements. The resource is easy to set up, easy to use, and offers varying levels of difficulty. This website cannot replace a lesson, but can act as more of a minds-on or exit ticket to practice skills that they have already learned. Thank you for listening.